Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group on Roblox. To create a group or a community on Roblox, open the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the homepage of Roblox, tap the More button at the bottom right. From the More menu, go ahead and tap on Communities. Now, you will see a little Create Community button at the top right. Simply tap on that. Go ahead and enter your community name, explain what your community is about, upload an image or an emblem from your device, and select if anyone can join or if approval is required. Fill in all of the details for your group or community, and finally tap on the blue button at the bottom right. In order to create a group or a community, it'll cost you 100 Robux. If you have 100 Robux available in your account, simply tap on the 100 button at the bottom right and you will then be able to create a group in Roblox. Once you create a group, you can post announcements, add and manage members, sell clothing, create group games, manage funds and distribute payouts. So that's how you can easily create a group or a community in Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.